What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market because things are looking very, very good. Remember, guys, my channel is not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And today we're going to talk about the crypto market and Shiba Inu, all the things that I have in terms of expectations for the week. The market picked back up after Amazon dropped a bombshell on the entire crypto market, saying that one of the insiders came out yesterday, and we were talking about it on the live stream, that they are looking into accepting payments, cryptocurrency payments, by the end of the year. Bitcoin maybe being the first, and then other cryptocurrency assets following. So as soon as the market realized that this could actually be potential, everything jumped up. Bitcoin approaching $39,000, holding strong throughout the night. Ethereum 2300, even Shiba Inu, our own baby, at 670 Satoshi units, recovering very, very nicely, up almost 6% on the day. Now, there's a lot of things that we're expecting for Shiba Inu in terms of other short-term catalysts, so let's go ahead and talk about those. But before I do so, I do want to mention, guys, you have exactly 5 more days through the July 31st to deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account and receive 2 free stocks, up to $2,300, as you guys can see right there. $2,300 could be your SHIB Army. So if you want to support me by any way, if you like the videos, or if I've ever helped you in any sort of way at all, just make sure you click the link in the description, sign up for Webull, pause the video, go ahead, just advance. That's investing in yourself. $5 is a cup of coffee, and you can get that $5 back. It's not buying anything, you're just depositing it into your account. So thank you so much for everybody that has already signed up, and go ahead and click the link in the description. Now, Etoro stated that they're adding new coins on Monday to their exchange. Drop a guess in the replies, they said. And you guys know they've been really, again, hyping up the fact that they're looking to list Shiba Inu on their exchange, which is going to be a fantastic catalyst. Over 17 million users utilize the Etoro platform. So for us, what does that mean? 17 million more individuals will be able to start buying Shiba Inu, potentially. There's probably some that already bought from other exchanges. Yes, that's probably true. But the fact is that when we see these kind of things happen, any type of big centralized exchanges, we know that access is going to increase substantially, which is going to allow us to hopefully see some fantastic price action moving forward. The more access, the better. Coinbase Pro, overdue right now for a relisting. You guys know, people are saying, did Coinbase back out? Are they not going to list? The answer to me is no, because if they didn't want to list, this is a publicly traded company. They'll immediately come out and say, guys, we are not listing Shiba Inu. They wouldn't say anything about these technical issues or technical difficulties. So in my opinion, I don't think we need to ever rule out Coinbase. It just might take a little bit longer than anticipated, which it already has. We're about almost 2 weeks overdue for a relisting. So it can happen at any moment. Today, this week, who knows? But as soon as it does, you guys know how the market's going to react, especially with this bull run that we're on right now. This is the most fantastic time for good news to come out. When the overall market is looking good, good sentiments across the entire global crypto market helps individual cryptocurrencies when their short-term catalysts come about. Also, if you guys don't know, Robinhood is getting ready to IPO. So yesterday on the stream, Rigor Mortis, if you guys don't know who he is, he's my brother. He also has a YouTube channel. Make sure you guys click the link in the description to subscribe to his channel as well. But Robinhood said that they plan to add crypto wallet and new features as IPO nears, as well as additional listings. Now, a lot of people are saying, why didn't they acknowledge the fact that we have 170,000 signatures on the petition on change.org? That is a lot of individuals looking to what? Looking to start investing in Shiba Inu, utilizing their platform. Now, what he mentioned, him being rigor mortis, is we need to cut them a little bit of slack maybe, because they're getting ready to IPO. So all their manpower is probably getting together and working on getting the company ready for the IPO, so it can become publicly traded. When that happens, of course, then they can start focusing maybe on other features like the cryptocurrency features, because we know how much Dogecoin made them and how much the crypto aspect, more than 15% of the revenues, I believe, came from cryptocurrencies, which is insane. So remember, guys, when we're looking at short-term and long-term catalysts, excuse me here, still a little bit sick. When we're looking at short-term and long-term catalysts, what we need to realize is, in terms of the Robinhood listing, that's going to be huge. And understand that they will acknowledge us at some point, It's taking a lot longer than we anticipated, but that's another thing that can traject us, put us on the trajectory to get, flies across straight to the moon and the promised land, in my opinion. So again, the fact that they're looking into this, hopefully we're going to start seeing some type of information. Whether or not they decide to list us, that's up to them, but they need us more than we need them at this point. The reason I say that is because they make a lot of revenue from people who utilize the cryptocurrency space on their platform. And any business model will see that and say, okay, what are the other cryptocurrencies that have a lot of community backing that we can start maybe considering to list? So in my opinion, Shiba Inu is going to be one of those that they decide to list. Also, Berry rewards came out, and honestly, a lot of people were pretty disappointed and said, I'm not very happy with what I see. So if you guys see here, in terms of my Berry rewards, I have about 6.23 unwoofable bones and 2 bones that are woofable from a 112 million total buried investment within my SHIB tokens themselves. So I have 112 million SHIB tokens. Remember, this cryptocurrency is a proof of stake. So when I say I'm staking, that means I'm helping validate the blockchain and the transactions. So that's what staking means. And I think there's been quite confusion. So again, I can make a separate video on that, but there's been a lot of confusion regarding that. So again, for me, it's just simply put additional way to earn revenue without really having to worry at all in terms of risk. Now, yesterday we also discussed impermanent loss in detail. So you guys can see for my liquidity pool, the dig feature, I have made about 8.89 bones in addition to my initial, let's see here, unwoofable is 246, and then 153 bones that I put into the berry that I'm bearing right now, or staking as well. So am I pretty happy with the returns I'm seeing? Absolutely, because again, passive income to me is always fantastic. With the liquidity pool, of course, it comes with one big risk, and that is the entire idea of impermanent loss. So that's the one thing that I know is worrying a lot of investors and individuals. So make sure you guys understand that very well. But you guys can see in terms of farming tokens in total, with my $1,100 initial investment, my return on my ROI has been $1,030.89. $1,030.89. That to me is insanity. Nothing else right now is yielding these kind of returns in terms of just passive income or additional income within your own investment, which really, really makes me super happy. So a total of 145.6 bones currently in the liquidity pool, wrapped with 0.22 Ethereum. So about $1,000 there with a $1,000 return. Can't be upset about that at all. Now, in permanent loss, remember, it's only realized when you pull out your initial investment out of the pool. So if you're ever to take out your pair, remember, if one has significant price action and the other doesn't, there might be a little bit of a difference in terms of how much tokens you're going to be pulling out, and you might lose some of those that you initially invested. So make sure you understand that really, really well. For me, I've only been woofing, right? And that's it. I'm not doing anything in terms of taking out my initial investment because I'm very, very long on these cryptocurrencies. Bone, I have big price targets on it. I'm talking $50, $100, $150, who knows in the future. And Ethereum also, I could see it getting to 10,000, 15, 20,000 over the long term. I'm not talking the next week or two or month. I'm talking months down the line, maybe even years. So holding long, holding strong. So again, guys, that's all I had for you today. Just keep your eyes on the market today. It's really, really exciting seeing everything in the green. We haven't seen this much green in a long time. So thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. And until next time then, keep investing. Peace.